Carson Wentz is having foot surgery, but it's actually really good news. He had an old fracture to the fifth toe that never healed. He learned to adapt to this, and it hasn't really bothered him since. But he re-aggravated that this week in practice, and now he's going to have surgery to remove the broken part of the bone that never healed. The reported recovery timetable is 5 to 12 weeks, and really based on the injury, we would actually project him to be on the sooner side of that timetable. 5 to 8 weeks, or in other words, weeks 1 to 4, is when we would expect to see Carson Wentz return to the field. And what about when he comes back? What do we expect? Well, the surgical healing is not that complex since it's essentially a removal rather than repairing bone or tendon to each other. And the rest of the injury is essentially a severe ankle sprain, which NFL players in data have shown us that they can come back from and perform very strongly. So we don't expect this to really hold back Carson Wentz when he does return. As far as durability, if anything, this makes him less likely to have a re-aggravation of this injury down the road, so we're feeling pretty good there. Overall, expect a strong return from Carson Wentz with a relatively short amount of time missed this season, approximately weeks 1 to 4. Don't sleep on him in fantasy leagues because we're certainly not going to.